Yeah, what do you want?
Hi, mechanic.
Do I look like a mechanic?
I don't know. Maybe.
You wouldn't catch me crawling around under any old bomb, getting all that grease on me.
Look, a car's broken down. I want to get out of here. I need a mechanic.
What's the hurry? You want a cup of coffee?
You all right? Well, what about the mechanic?
How do you have it?
White with one.
We used to have one, but he ain't with us anymore.
Where is he?
Well, a matter of fact, he's across the road.
Well, I'm going to have a talk to him.
You can try, but you'll have to dig him up, because he's in the cemetery. Cheer up, son. I can put you up for the night.
What about a bus?
Thursday.
That's 2 days.
We can get to know each other.
2 days.
Real well.
Boy. Maybe I can help with your troubles. Come over. Come on over and talk to the king of rock and roll. You know what I look when I see in your eyes, boys? You know what I see in your eyes? I see craziness. I see a free spirit, boy. Just like me.
Yes, sir.
You know what I got outside there, boy? I got me a 57 Cadillac. I bought one for my mama Gladys. She's gone now. What say you and I get in that car and hit the road, boy? We could be like Thelma and Louise. You be Thelma, I'll be Louise.
Sure. You only live once.